See, students, in many industries, the products manufactured are to be considered for testing for quality control. And there are many methods, but the article is to be maintained for its properties as it is. There is non destructive testing. With this, the non destructive testing, the testing of materials, articles without destruction under different techniques to test defects maintaining properties intact for quality control is known as non-destructive testing. There are different techniques. One of them is ultrasonic flaw detection technique. This method is used in automobile, aircraft, railway, and shipping industries. In ultrasonic flaw detection, the ultrasonic waves are used. Ultrasonic waves are sound waves having frequency higher than 20 kilohertz. The principle used in this method, that is the time interval between transmitted and reflected ultrasonic wave, is proportional to distance between two media boundaries. In this technique, the sample is kept in contact with ultrasonic transducer and the transmitted and reflected pulse recorded and result displayed on CRO. In this, ultrasonic waves are allowed on the sample under testing when transmitted as well as reflected pulses are recorded and result is displayed in CRO. If there is no any defect, then only two peaks, one for transmitted and other for reflected is shown. This is known as A scan. This representation of the pulse, this is for transmitted and this is for reflected. The transmitted energy losses due to the traveling of the ultrasonic wave in the medium and therefore some energy loss. Therefore, the reflected pulse having the small peak. This representation in A scan whenever there is no any defect. Whenever there is a defect, then the observation is considered in this way. In pulse echo testing, the transducer sends out the pulse of energy and same or the second transducer listens for reflected energy, that is in the form of an echo. The reflections occur due to the presence of discontinuities and the surfaces of the test articles. The amount of reflected sound energy is displayed versus time, which provides the inspector information about the size and location of the features or flaws or defects that reflect the sound. This representation, that is, if this is a crack, this is the transducer arranged, and the ultrasonic waves are reaching in this way. If there is no flaw, then this is the reflected sound, and if there is a flaw, the reflected sound or ultrasonic wave is represented in this way. This represented in the form of pulses. Here, that is this initial pulse, transmitted pulse. This is the back surface echo from other surface where there is a no defect in the path. If there is a defect in the path, then the crack echo is represented in this way. Such a type of representation is also known as A scan. This is A scan with the defect, and already we have seen A scan that is without defect. The A scan studied using transducer. This is represented, that is this is transducer. This transducer is applied on the surface, and this represents the digital display showing signal generated from sound reflecting off back surface. This is the original pulse and this is the reflected pulse represented. If there is a defect, then this representation shown on CRO. It is in this way digital display showing the presence of the reflected midway through material with a lower amplitude back surface reflected. This transducer represented on the surface. This is a defect. This represented here, and the pulses represented without any defect here in this way, with the defect in this way. These pulses are to be recorded using the another method, that is on both sides there are the transducers. One transducer to allow the ultrasonic wave, second transducer to record the reflected ultrasonic wave, and that representation is shown on CRO in this the graphical representation. Digital display showing received sound through material thickness. This thickness can also be measured and the reflected sound can be recorded in the form of ultrasonic wave. This is another representation, that is digital display showing loss of a received signal due to presence of a discontinuity or a defect or flaw in the second field. This is the peak without loss of energy. This is the peak due to the loss of energy whenever there is a defect. Whenever the defect is detected where there is some location of the defect, to find the location of the defect, now the ultrasonic transducer is allowed from all directions. That is, the now transducer is arranged at different locations and at different inclinations. Then distance of the defect from all locations is determined. Then the picture gives exact location inside the sample. This is represented in the form of picture on the CRO, that is known as B scan. From all directions, if the ultrasonic waves are allowed, then the location is detected in the form of typical type of lines shown on the CRO. Such picture is known as B scan. B scan can be produced whenever defect is found in the sample. If defect is not found, then further process is not possible. Finally, if ultrasonic pulse now allowed from all corners of the sample, then actual picture of flaw or a defect similar to X-ray photograph is obtained. It is known as C-scan. This representation is in typical form shown in the graph. This graph representation gives the actual location and actual size and shape of the defect in this way in this picture. This way, the ultrasonic flaw detection technique is used in aircraft, in railway, in shipping, and in different industrial purposes to find the defects in the articles so produced whenever it is manufactured under different processes to maintain its quality and properties intact. Thank you.